Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly Wicker. I'm beyond excited to share today's card project featuring the stunning Spellbinders Home for the Holidays collection. Let's kick off the holiday cheer a little early with some festive crafting fun. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Christmas in July is the best time to get ahead on your holiday projects and soak in that joyous spirit. Are you ready to dive into the holiday magic with me? Let me know in the comments if you're a fan of Christmas in July crafting. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the holiday excitement. Let's get crafting and make some holiday magic. Alright y'all, here are the supplies that you'll need to create today's card project. Here are the main star of the show. This is the Spellbinders Scenic Etched dies from the brand new Home for the Holidays collection. Spellbinders was super generous to send me this set, and it's absolutely perfect for our festive project. I love die cutting and paper piecing, so I'm here for this. And like I said, we're going to be doing lots of die cutting today, so get ready. And then you'll need the Color Block Scenic Scape set. While this set isn't part of the Home for the Holidays collection, it's a must-have for crafting a scenic background. So this is what we're going to use to make our snow. And then you're going to need the Precision Layering Mini Slimline Set A. We're making a mini slimline card today because our Saint Nick die is taller than your standard A2 size card. This set will help us create the perfect card panel and card mat. So the next thing you'll need is the 3D embossing folder by Spellbinders and Simon Hurley called Sparkling Snow. This folder will add an incredible textured background that looks like sparkling snow, ideal for our winter wonderland theme. So without further ado, let's dive right into the card making fun and create some holiday magic. We've got a lot of die cutting to do, and the mini Empress is all set up and ready to roll. Here's the awesome die set we'll be using, and I've got my scrap paper out prepped and ready to go. Let's dive in and make some magic. I'm going to speed up this process and put on some fun music to keep the vibes high while we work. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we transform these papers into beautiful creations. Okay, y'all, we've conquered the first round of die cutting. That wasn't so bad now, was it? I thought it was going to be a lot more in the beginning, but that wasn't really too terrible. And now it's time to add some more pizzazz with a bit more die cutting and some embossing magic. I've got my Platinum 6 die cutting machine ready to go, my ultimate favorite manual die cutting machine. We've got one final piece to die cut, the snow for our card panel. We're using the fabulous Color Block Scenic Scape that I showed you earlier, and for the snow, my go-to cardstock is Pixie Dust from Lawn Fawn. Now let's set up the Platinum 6 for some embossing action. I've already spritzed my cardstock with water off camera to get that perfect texture so it doesn't crack. Running it through my die cut machine now, following the instructions on the universal plate system. And I love how Simon Hurley's embossing folders have the name on the embossing folder so you know what it is. And voila, look at that texture. It's absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we're going to adhere the embossed panel to the card base. So let's get set up to do that. So we're going to align everything perfectly. Grab my trusty Gina K dot runner and add the adhesive to the back of the card panel. This is why I love these layering dies. They make everything so precise. Pressing it down onto the card base right where I want it. Here we go. This is perfect. Just right where I want it. I love that. I'm happy with how this came out. So yay! Okay, you guys, that wasn't too terrible now, was it? I love to paper piece, so I didn't have any issues with it. I just wanted to speed it up for the video because it would have been a really long video if I didn't speed any of this up. So that's why I went ahead and did that. But anyways, we're just placing down the Christmas tree and the lantern. The Saint Nick has his hands full here this holiday season. Anyways, just placing a foam square underneath the beard, gluing down the hand there. And now we're ready to apply the snow to the card base. And there we go. The card is ready for Saint Nick. Just adding liquid glue to the back of it and pressing them down to adhere to the card base here. And adding the star. And it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed crafting this festive card with me using the Spellbinders Home for the Holidays collection. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more card making inspiration. A huge thank you to all my existing subscribers. Your support means the world to me. For those new to the channel, welcome. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts on Christmas and July crafting. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next card making video. Happy crafting. Ciao for now.